Welcome back guys. In this video we are going to discuss about stack memory and heap memory in Java as it is a very important concept which is frequently asked in interviews. So let's get started. So when we are talking about stack memory, it is used to store the method level data. Whatever data is available at the method level, it will store that. So in the same sequence, it is used to store local variables, method calls, and reference variables. It follows LIFO technique, and I hope you know about LIFO technique, that is last in, first out. It follows LIFO technique, so it is faster in access. Method is removed and memory is freed automatically when the method ends. If we talk an example, so let's say we have a method as void test method, and in that we are using a variable int x equals to 20, variable stored inside stack memory. This variable will be stored in the stack memory. In the same way, let's discuss about the heap memory. So heap memory stores the object and global data. It does not store the method level data. It always store the object and global data. It is used to store instance variables, static class variables, and all object data which are created by using the new operator. It is slower than stack, and this memory is managed by garbage collector. The object remains in the heap memory until garbage collector removes it. If we talk example for that, let's say if we have a method, that is test method, in that if we are creating an object of class person, this object reference in the heap memory. That's all guys.